कर्नाटक की सियासत में एक सेक्स सीडी ने बवाल मचा रखा है और इस सीडी में मुबैना तौर पर येदियुरप्पा कैबिनेट के वजीर रमेश जारकिहोली एक औरत के साथ नजर आ रहे हैं। सामाजिक कारकुन दिनेश कल्लाहल्ली ने सीडी जारी करते हुए इल्जाम लगाया है कि वजीर रमेश जारकिहोली ने खातून को नौकरी का लालच देकर उसका इस्तेसाल किया है। सीडी के आने और अपोजिशन के इस्तीफे की मांग करने का हंगामा शुरू करते ही साबिक सीएम सिद्धरमैया ने येदियुरप्पा हुकूमत पर बदनुमानी के संगीन इल्जाम आयद किए तो दीगर लीडरान ने सीएम से फौरन इस्तीफा तस्लीम करते हुए जेल भेजने की मांग की है। हालात को देखते हुए जारकिहोली ने वजारत से इस्तीफा दे दिया है। हालांकि इस दौरान उन्होंने खुद को बेकसूर बताते हुए मामले की जांच की बात कही है।
There is any values in public life. The Chief Minister, Mr. Yediyurappa, should take his resignation immediately. Yes, this is the most corrupt government ever Karnataka had. The allegation on a cabinet minister. The cabinet minister has alleged that the CM is most corrupt. CM has to clarify on it. Whether his own cabinet colleague, who's a minister himself, has said that the chief minister is most corrupt. That is important in the audio or video, I don't know, video. Let the BJP and the chief minister reply, then we will reply. See, even Mehdi had resigned, even in Maharashtra also, under the pressure of the BJP, a minister was being sacked. All these things has happened. Let us see, let them hold on.
Mr. Jarakiholi has to resign immediately because being in such a position, and it's a serious allegation that is happening on him. So I think he should resign in the first place. Yes, investigations will happen, but then on moral grounds, he should be resigning immediately so that there will be a fair investigation which will be happening. A powerful person holding a powerful position cannot be investigated, without influences and stuff. So I think he should be resigning. It is a very serious allegation which has happened on him. And we have seen in the news, in the media, that the lady has come out and told that she is being harassed by the the complainant has been told that she is being harassed by the influential people.
रमेश जारकिहोली सेक्स सीडी मामले में रियासती वज़रा का क्या कहना है, आइए सुनते हैं।
Whatever the complaint is there, based on complaint, we are doing the inquiry. As per law, we are doing it.
Sir, the opposition is demanding his resignation, sir, saying that the CD itself is very clear. Why is the party not taking action?
All these things are there. Our party will take a decision.
Anyhow, he has resigned, and already he is initially he said that initially he says he has nothing has been offence, and whatever the inquiry and other things, because nobody is given any statement. Who are the sufferers? Nobody has given a complaint, nothing. Let us we have to take a decision.
Sir, do you consider it as an embarrassment to your party and the government here, sir? रेसिग्नेशन दिया है सर, और रेसिग्नेशन एक्सेप्ट हुआ। आप क्या कहेंगे?
मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता।
मॉरल ग्राउंड्स के ऊपर तो आपको लगता है बिग एम्बैरेसमेंट है सर?
नहीं, कुछ एम्बैरेसमेंट नहीं है। ऑलरेडी सीएम साहब भी रेसिग्नेशन एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद कोई सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होता ना इसके बारे में। ऑलरेडी मुख्यमंत्री को राजीनामा